Hi guys, Olga Soby here. Happy Labor Day for everybody who celebrates. Happy back to school for anybody who can relate, and happy beginning of autumn to everyone. Today is September 2nd and I am very excited to announce that this month we are going to have the pouring challenge. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the details of September challenge. So lately I have been having a lot of fun with the funnel drag, funnel pour technique, and it seems like you guys been enjoying it together with me. So I challenge you to jump on a funnel pour train with me and also give it a try. And I'm gonna get to the details of the challenge just in a second, but before I'm gonna get there, I want to let you know that 3 people that participate in the challenge are gonna get a chance to win $25 Amazon certificate each. Okay, so now to the details of the challenge. Condition number 1. Since we're working with a funnel and I want to challenge you to do a funnel drag technique. So let's imagine this is a canvas. So while you're working with the funnel, you need to keep it on the canvas. So we're not pouring through the canvas, we're dragging it with the paint across the canvas. So condition number 1, funnel has to touch the canvas. Condition number 2, you need to leave some negative space. It doesn't matter which color, it doesn't matter how much, it's totally up to you. Just leave some of that nice and pretty negative space. And for silicone, I'm gonna use some silicone today, but it's totally up to you. If you wanna use it, if you wanna get some cells, go for it. If you wanna do like totally different style, not a problem. And the last condition is that you need to use white and blue color in your color combination. So you can do as many colors as you want, but one of them has to be white and another one has to be blue. And it can be any blue, like from darkest dark blue to lightest light. So yeah, that's everything. And if you want to see the details on how to enter for the challenge, I'm going to include them in the description of the video. So check them out. Looking forward to see your challenge pours. So I have already applied the base layer for my negative space, and today I'm working with beautiful sky blue color by Amsterdam Acrylics. I have never worked with this color for negative space, but Dolores Bennett and Ben Johnson suggested to me that I should try a different color for the negative space with this technique, something other than white and black. And thank you for the suggestion. So that's what I'm doing today. And last time I started with my funnel in this corner, and today I want to start right here. And all the colors have 1 drop of silicone in them. I used so many colors in my funnel and somehow I got mostly the blue, especially here. Okay, let's try and tilt this baby a little. I used a little too much paint in the funnel, so I had to tilt it more because I did not like how it was aligning in the center. This right now is the most unusual composition for me. I've never done like a half a canvas with a pour and half just blank, but I kind of like it. I think it's very interesting. So now I want to blow the edges towards that corner a little and see if that looks any good. All right, so now I like it. It does look like the coral reef, definitely some sort of under the water theme. So Dolores, it worked. And I also like that I tilted only towards this corner and only blow toward this one. So it kind of looks like all this seaweed and corals. Well, coral don't really move, I think, but it looks like it's flowing together with the water. At least that's the feeling I'm getting from it. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it. Very, very happy about the sky blue color. Sky blue for underwater theme, but it worked. And yeah, I'm definitely going to play with this technique more. Looking forward to see your September challenges. Don't forget to check the description for details how to enter. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.